This is terrible, na? I just got a message. This morning, 644 Hindus have been killed today in Bangladesh with encouragement from the government.
Yes, sir.
With encouragement from the government.
Sir,
Now I'm making you Prime Minister of India for 1 minute. Kya karoge?
sir,
Everything is failed.
so I would like to activate the ground intelligence, the sleeper
वो सब हो
cells.
गया, आ गया मेरे पास. जामे JEI, जमात इस्लामी, उनको बोला कि जाके मार दो सर. I'll support you. पुलिस को बोला don't interfere. मैं क्या करूं बेटा?
So I think we need to activate the ground intelligence.
और एक्टिवेट हो गए इंटेलिजेंस ना? करके क्या करोगे? एक्टिवेट करके
उसके बाद क्या करना है?
So we can authorize a special team to rescue and evacuate the minorities.
So therefore, I'll violate Bangladesh's sovereignty. And if I go in, he'll get very angry. If I bring out the Hindus, then he'll start killing more.
So
Or shall I kill him?
that is United Nations responsibility.
United Nations, they are incapable of doing anything.
So
Do you have
responsibility.
any faith? R2P, responsibility.
R2P.
You know, Shabbai, very hushar hai. What is the meaning of R2P? If he cannot save his people, who has the right to go in?
United Nations.
No, no. I have the right to go in. Sorry. UN की कितनी बड़ी फौज है?
So exact numbers I'm not
एक भी
aware
नहीं
of.
है.
They don't have their
Yes, so
own army.
we send them.
So therefore, I'm not going to wait for a UN. The resolution is already there. Libya में तभी तो गए थे.
Yes, sir.
Responsibility to protect.
Yes, sir.
You think we are being tough on you? बेटा, you haven't given me a decision. ठोकूं इसको
नहीं,
के
पर
ना
इन्होंने
ठोकूं?
एक आंसर तो दिया है
क्या?
कि निकाल लाओ उनको.
हिंदुओं को निकाला. वो वहाँ बेटा 10 लाख है. बड़ा मुश्किल है मेरे लिए इतनों को लाना. असली चीज ये है कि रेजिम को रिप्लेस करो.
जी सर.
डोनाल्ड ट्रंप से पूछा गया था when he met PM मोदी last year कि बांग्लादेश की इशू को क्या करें. He said let Modi handle it. So he's given me a carte blanche. खुला टिकट दिया, ठोको. अब जाके ठोकूं कि ना ठोकूं? निर्णय करो.
जी नहीं करना चाहिए सर.
मारते रहे वो हमारे लोगों को.
So we should try to solve the matter in a diplomatic manner because
Everybody wants वही चीज chat GPT और बाकी लोग
They
इसको
they want to
talks are
they
there,
want
but we
to
have to for that we have to activate our ground resources. We cannot be directly involved in a conflict in a
What
border
will
conflict.
activate our ground resources? Ask the Hindus there to mobilize and kill the Muslims.
So something
क्या बोल रही
like
हैं?
so something मतलब what I am imagining is that something the way we did in Operation Blue Star during
वो तो पंजाब में था, वो तो मेरी
Sir,
धरती
वो
पे था. हमने
larger
लोग-
scale- अगर
अरे कम,
larger
कम,
scale
कम,
में इस
कम,
चीज
कम,
को-
कम, वो तो मेरी फौज गई थी वहाँ. कुछ पता है आपको ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार
जी
का?
सर.
कौन गया था?
Indian Army.
चाइना की आर्मी आई थी.
नहीं सर, Indian Army
तो
गई.
फिर वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ, जाऊँ अंदर?
So what we can do is we can just strike off their 2 chicken necks in that.
ये लड़की है, टाइगर है या पूरी? That's exactly what I'll do.
Yes sir.
एक उनका ऊपर है और एक नीचे. ठोक दूं फिर जाके?
Yes sir.
ठोक दूं ना?
Yes sir.